Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show how to sync your phone contacts with Telegram so you can easily find and connect with people you already know. This updated method is simple and it only takes a minute to set up. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all your account and app preferences in one place. Scroll if needed until you find it, then tap to open. Inside Settings, look for the option labeled Privacy and Security. This section controls how your data is handled and who can see your information. Go ahead and tap on it. Now scroll down through the Privacy and Security page until you find Sync Contacts. This is the feature that allows Telegram to match your phone's contact list with users already on the platform. Once you find it, toggle Sync Contacts on. When it's enabled, Telegram will automatically upload your contacts and check which of them are using Telegram. Within seconds, you'll start seeing familiar names appear in your chat list. If you've just installed Telegram or haven't used it in a while, this step makes a huge difference. It saves you from manually searching for people and ensures your contact list stays up to date as new users join Telegram. And that's it. Your contacts are now synced, and you're ready to start chatting right away. If you ever want to stop syncing, you can return to the same setting and toggle it off anytime.